Hey everyone, Ryan here, Scheller Family Experience. I'm here in the shop. It's raining outside. Hopefully it's snowing up the hill. And we're gonna put this Polaris boost on a little diet. That's right, we're gonna drop the old Speedwerx Can in it. Almost just a little shy of 11 pounds lighter, 11 pounds. That's quite a bit. I've always ran Speedwerx on all my sleds. I like their product. This one was not cheap. They're about 700 bucks. So they're one of the more expensive competition silencers, but we're gonna get it on and go test it out tomorrow. So let's get that big old suitcase of a silencer, stock silencer, off there. This thing is a beast. I will say, you gotta love how these new Polarises come apart. I mean, I got the Alpha right back there, the 2020 Alpha. Arctic Cat, you know, since they came out with that new platform in what, 2012 or something like that. I mean, my 17 was like a nightmare to get that hood off. And they got a little bit better on the Alphas, but Polaris actually nailed it with how quick it is to get that apart. So let's get this beast off of here. Two springs down in there. All right, so we got the two springs, holding that on. There's two on the back side too. Not sure I'll be able to get them with this, we'll see. All right, the springs on the back side of that, get a longer spring puller. I've just got a short one here, get a longer one. Much easier. That was kind of a pain in the ass. All right, we're gonna get that air box out of the way. We're gonna end up taking this tube anyways off and replacing it. All right, little recap. We got a spring on the back side of the can. You got this collar and this collar with a 10 millimeter. You got 4 springs on the pipe where it goes into the can. Those 4 springs. The 2 springs on the back are really difficult to get to, so if you have a longer spring puller, that's really gonna help. You're gonna roll the pipe kind of out of the way. It's gonna roll off of this. And we're gonna pop the turbo off. Kind of get it up out of the way, and this should come out. All right. $17 millimeter on this sensor right here. Pull that sensor up. We don't want to set it there. We'll just kind of get it up out of the way there. Let's get this beast out of here. This big old thing. Look at the size of that thing. Look at that. Huge. Huge. Now, one thing I always do is I write on it. I'll write what sled it went to, just because I go through a couple sleds, you know, and I've got it sitting in the back, and just in case we ever need it. So I'll write on it with a Sharpie what this silencer went to. All right, I'm gonna wait to tighten those hose clamps up on the silicone hoses there, because I want to get everything situated and then tighten them up. This does come with a little rubber grommet right there. That rubber grommet you'll have to push on. If it's super cold, just set it down in front of a heater or something, soften it up a little bit, and that'll make it a little easier. You're gonna take the old grommet off of that piece too. All right, that seems to be all where it's supposed to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that back silicone hose up. I'm gonna get the air box pulled back over. We're gonna get that other clamp on. And then we're also gonna be putting this on. On this RPM install for the silicone hose, this little hard plastic piece, don't forget that, because this will go in here and then it slides on the silicone hose. Very, very important on that, because it'll collapse. All right, we got it all done. Got the Speedwerx Can on, and we're gonna do a little fire it up and let's hear how it sounds. Got the RPM silicone. That was a little difficult. Had to do some adjusting on that, but I feel like this is a little short, probably because maybe this can sits a little lower, but I'm gonna have to keep an eye on that. All right, let's get the first start. I'm gonna put the mic down here right by it, start it up, and see how she sounds. All right, can't wait to get it out on the snow and actually open it up tomorrow.